Life is a wondrous journey from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. All living things share a fundamental process: cell division. Imagine a single cell, so small you need a microscope to see it. This tiny cell holds the blueprint of life. Now, imagine this cell dividing, making a copy of itself. This process, my friends, is cell division, the very essence of growth, repair, and reproduction. Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. It's like a cellular dance, a carefully orchestrated process that ensures the continuity of life. Just like a house needs bricks to build, our bodies need new cells. This process doesn't happen randomly. Oh no, it follows a set of rules, a cellular choreography, if you will. And just like there are different types of dances, there are different types of cell division, each with its unique steps and purpose. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of cell division, where we'll explore the two main types, mitosis and meiosis. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate workings of life at its most fundamental level. Why is cell division so important, you ask? Well, imagine a world without it. You wouldn't grow, wounds wouldn't heal, and life itself would cease to exist. Cell division is the engine that drives life as we know it. From the moment we are just a single fertilized egg, cell division kicks into high gear, creating trillions of cells that make up our bodies. This process continues throughout our lives, replacing old or damaged cells, ensuring that our bodies function properly. But cell division isn't just about growth and repair, it's also essential for reproduction. Through a specialized type of cell division called meiosis, our bodies create sperm and egg cells, the very building blocks of new life. Without cell division, there would be no you, no me, no life as we know it. It's a fundamental process that underpins the very existence of all living organisms on this planet. Just like there are different dances for different occasions, there are two main types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Each type has a specific role to play in the grand scheme of life. Mitosis is like a line dance, where each cell makes an exact copy of itself. This process is essential for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Think of it as the body's way of maintaining itself, replacing worn-out cells with fresh, identical copies. Meiosis, on the other hand, is more like a ballroom dance, where cells exchange genetic material, creating unique daughter cells. This type of cell division is crucial for sexual reproduction, as it ensures that offspring inherit a mix of genes from both parents, leading to genetic diversity. So, whether it's the precise duplication of mitosis or the genetic shuffling of meiosis, cell division is a fundamental process that underpins the diversity and continuity of life on Earth. Mitosis, my friends, is the unsung hero of our bodies, the workhorse that keeps us going. It's the process by which a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells, each containing the same genetic information as the parent cell. Think of it as the ultimate cloning machine, ensuring that every new cell in your body has a complete set of instructions. This process is essential for growth, allowing us to go from a single fertilized egg to a complex multicellular organism. But mitosis doesn't stop there. It's also responsible for repairing damaged tissues. When you cut yourself, for example, mitosis kicks into gear, producing new cells to heal the wound. Without mitosis, our bodies would be unable to grow, repair themselves, or even maintain their basic functions. It's a fundamental process that ensures the survival of all multicellular organisms on this planet. Section 5. The phases of mitosis, a cellular choreography. Mitosis is a carefully choreographed dance, a series of steps that ensures the accurate duplication and division of a cell's genetic material. Let's break down this cellular ballet into its key phases. First, we have interphase. This is the preparation stage where the cell grows and replicates its DNA, getting ready for the big division. Next comes prophase. The curtain rises, chromosomes condense and become visible, while the nuclear envelope breaks down, setting the stage for the separation of genetic material. Then we move to metaphase. The chromosomes line up at the center of the cell, like actors taking their positions for the grand finale. Following that, we enter anaphase. The chromosomes split and move to opposite poles of the cell, pulled apart by spindle fibers, like dancers gracefully gliding across the stage. After that, we have telophase. The chromosomes reach the opposite poles and begin to decondense, as the nuclear envelope reforms around each set, creating two new nuclei. Finally, we reach cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides, pinching the cell in two, like a curtain closing on the performance, resulting in two identical daughter cells. And there you have it, the mesmerizing dance of mitosis, a process that ensures the accurate transmission of genetic information from one generation of cells to the next. Section 6, Meiosis, the key to genetic diversity. Meiosis, my friends, is the reason why we are all unique. It's the process by which our bodies create gametes, sperm and egg cells, each carrying half the number of chromosomes as our regular body cells. Unlike mitosis, which produces identical clones, meiosis introduces genetic variation. This is because during meiosis, chromosomes exchange genetic material through a process called crossing over, shuffling the genetic deck, so to speak. This genetic shuffling is essential for sexual reproduction, as it ensures that offspring inherit a unique combination of genes from both parents. This genetic diversity is what makes each of us unique and contributes to the resilience of populations in the face of environmental challenges. So while mitosis ensures the continuity of life, meiosis is the engine of genetic diversity, the driving force behind the incredible variety of life on Earth. Section 7, the phases of meiosis, a tale of two divisions. Meiosis, the master of genetic variation, is a two-part process, with each part consisting of phases resembling those of mitosis, but with some key twists. Let's explore this intricate dance. Meiosis 1, the reduction division 1. Prophase 1, chromosomes pair up with their homologous partners, exchanging genetic material through crossing over, creating new combinations of genes. 2, metaphase 1, homologous chromosome pairs line up at the cell's equator, their alignment influencing the genetic makeup of the resulting daughter cells. 3, anaphase-wide, homologous chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite poles, separating the genetic material received from each parent. 4, telophase 1, 2 daughter cells are formed, each with half the number of chromosomes as the original cell, but with each chromosome still consisting of 2 sister chromatids. Meiosis 2, the equational division 1. Prophase 2, chromosomes condense again, preparing for the second round of division. 2, metaphase the second, chromosomes line up at the equator of each daughter cell, similar to metaphase in mitosis. 3, anaphase the 62nd. Sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite poles, separating the duplicated genetic material. 4, telophase 2. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed, each genetically unique and carrying half the number of chromosomes as the original parent cell. And there you have it, the grand finale of meiosis, a process that ensures genetic diversity and the continuation of life through sexual reproduction. Section 8, Mitosis versus Meiosis, a comparative look. Mitosis and meiosis, two sides of the same coin, both essential for life, yet distinct in their roles and outcomes. Let's compare these cellular dances side by side. Feature mitosis, meiosis, purpose, growth, repair, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, number of divisions 1, 2, number of daughter cells 2, 4, genetic makeup of daughter cells identical to parent cell, genetically diverse, half the number of chromosomes as parent cell role in the body, maintains the body, heals wounds, replaces old cells, produces gametes, sperm and egg cells, for sexual reproduction. In essence, mitosis is the body's way of maintaining itself, ensuring that each new cell has a complete set of instructions. Meiosis, on the other hand, is the engine of genetic diversity, shuffling the genetic deck to create unique individuals and ensure the survival of species. Section 9. Cell division in action, from growth to healing. Cell division is not just a theoretical concept confined to textbooks. It's happening within us right now. From the moment we are conceived to our very last breath, our bodies are abuzz with the activity of countless cells dividing, repairing, and renewing themselves. Think about a child growing taller, bones lengthening, muscles developing, all fueled by the relentless process of mitosis. Imagine a wound healing, skin cells dividing and migrating to close the gap, a testament to the body's remarkable ability to repair itself. Consider the miracle of conception, a single fertilized egg undergoing rapid cell divisions to form a complex human being, a symphony of mitosis and differentiation orchestrated by the genetic code. Even in adulthood, when our bodies are no longer growing at the same rate, cell division continues to play a vital role. It replenishes our blood cells, repairs damaged tissues, and ensures the proper functioning of our organs. So, the next time you marvel at the intricacies of the human body or the diversity of life on Earth, remember the unsung heroes of this grand biological drama. The cells, constantly dividing, differentiating, and dying in an intricate dance that sustains life itself.